Good morning, students. A very warm welcome to all. I feel very glad to meet you all in this pleasant morning. I hope you all are doing well. You all have promoted to 5th standard. I am Mrs. Selvi, your English faculty. Students, where there is a will, there is a way. It means if we determine to do something, we'll find a way to accomplish it. Amidst corona pandemic, we connect through online classes to impart knowledge. So make use of it and cherish knowledge. So let me start today's class. I would like to begin with a poem, The Long Way Home by C.J. Dennis. Before moving into our session, let me ask you some questions. Tell me some activities that you like to do at home and outside. Some of you may like cycling or some of you may like playing chess. How do you go to school or how do you go to your friend's house? Do you have any favorite road or route to go to your home? How long is your house from school? Will you take any shortcut or long way? This poem is about a boy who always roams when he goes back from his friend Billy's house. There are two ways that lead him home, but he takes the mazy crazy road. Why does he takes that mazy crazy road? Let's see. What does it mean, mazy? Mazy means complex or confused. Crazy means if we say a person is crazy means fool, stupid, like that we can say. But the poet says crazy road means difficult or long way. The poet's mother asks him, why didn't you come through Mr. Donkin's land? It will take you easily. The poet says, she can't understand. The poet says, I cannot go that way because of Donkin uncle's dog is there. I think he's scared of dog. That's why he doesn't like to go that way. So the poet takes the north way. As he takes this way, he has to cross the log. What's meant by log? Log means a part of trunk or a large branch of a tree. You might have seen it. That has fallen or been cut off. But last week, when he was coming by, that log had lizards in it. So the poet likes this way because he gets some adventures also, like lizards. He doesn't like to go take the donkey's land because he's scared of dog. He takes a minute to search for the lizard. If he couldn't find out anything, he goes right and reach the turn in front of Mrs. Blizzard's. The poet tried to cross the creek. He doesn't like to cross the creek. Creek means a small river because it's deep and floody. Floody means overflow of water. Crosses the creek, his mother would be annoyed because the creek is muddy. Students, I have explained the poem. Now it's your turn. Read the poem with correct pronunciation and send it to me to my personal number.